Hello and welcome. Today we're unboxing the LiftMaster 893 Max 3-button garage door remote control. This is my wall unit, and this is the unit I'm going to pair the garage door opener with. This is the unit open with the little red light and the orange light. From here on, we'll go ahead with the garage door opener. Make it more visible. There we go. There's the garage door opener. There's the instruction manual and a clip to hang on your visor. The instructions, let's take a look at them quickly. They say that this LiftMaster garage door opener can be used as a replacement for the 80 series, the 970 series, and the 370 series LiftMaster controls. And it also supports a number of different frequencies, 315 and 319 or 390 megahertz. Instructions look pretty clear and simple here. It's about programming the remote first and then connecting to your garage door. So let me go do that. That was easy and straightforward. I went over to my garage door opener and pushed the learn button and pushed one of these to pair it, and it paired within a few seconds. Thank you for watching.